Hey guys, we're back out at it today. Gonna hit this field. Got a very large field to do here at the place where I dug the old padlock and the that harness piece that was off of a triple or a single tree yoke. But this ground is full of signals, without a doubt. Lots of signals. And so I just talked to the owner's son. That's what our signal's going to be right there, I do believe. A pipe. But just got a new permission from that. And all I'm going to say is log cabin, possibly built by Indians or something, on this farm. And oh man, it sounds like a dream permission in many ways. So hopefully we can get out to that this summer. I'll catch you in the next hole, guys. Well, this is a 65, so it's probably shotgun shell. But I thought I'd do it live, just because you never know. You never know. And it's not every day you dig, it's a shotgun shell. Part of a shotgun shell looks like it's been chewed up. It's not every day you dig a hole besides something like that. What in the world? Another good solid 84, 85 here, so I thought I'd do a live dig. Big shout out to all of you guys that have recently subscribed me or have been with me from the beginning. I really appreciate your subscriptions, and I enjoy getting out on these old sites and finding relics, as well as coins, and I like finding stuff I have to research to figure out what it is. Did I miss this? Not technically, I didn't miss this, but it's close to the surface right here. Oh, you know what that is. It's a grommet. Daggum grommet. Wallace and grommet. Love that stuff. Platomation, whatever. Cheers, guys. 84 signal here, guys. Just dug a shotgun shell. Huh, wow. But, yeah, I was just thinking, I don't ever want to seem boastful or, anything like that as far as, what permissions I'm getting or what finds I'm finding. Man, that's not me at all, and I hope that I can portray that. Looks like I gotta go a little deeper, but this is just about getting out, man. It's about getting out and doing it, no matter where you're at. I don't care if you're in the middle of a city park. I don't care if you're out in the middle of a field, in the middle of the woods, on the other side of the globe. It don't matter. This is about metal detecting. And yeah, some people find some really cool stuff, and some of us find cool stuff every once in a while. Some of us can't find our target at all. But I mean, I try to be a humble person, because so many people are going through so much in their life that getting out metal detecting, you know, wait, is that my shovel? You know, is a blessing for them, is their way of, you know, release, if you want to call it. Some people just love the hobby. You watch that gig master guy, boy, he's got so much energy. I love that guy's energy. He doesn't seem, you know, he doesn't take each little find and freak out over it. He's just having a good time, but his energy at that age, man, I hope I have that energy at that age. Well, guys, I can't find this target. I will get back to you. Cheers for now. Well, I got down to something there, guys, and it looks like it's a bullet. Yeah, it's a big old modern bullet. Full metal jacket. Don't know my calibers again, but yep, it's a bullet. Cheers for now. The Palau point. Cheers. There it is. The slotted washer. Cheers. Well, guys, this is an 88 right on the surface. And that's not very common for me out in the middle of a field, so needless to say, it's got me wondering what in the world this could be. Let's hope that's not it. That's a rock. Okay, it looks like I gotta dig a little bit. It sounded like it was right on the surface. Cans on my machine come in at 82, 83 normally. Oh, look at that. Sweet. Did you see it? This is what I'm all about. There it is, guys. Another buckle. Another buckle type of day. Nice old harness buckle. All over that. Alright, guys. Catch you on the next. Well, guys, I'm sure glad the sun is out because it is pretty cold today. We got a snow coming in. Supposed to get 2 to 5 inches of snow, but it's supposed to get back up into this like low 70s, like 71 or something they're calling for next week. So it won't last long. Definitely won't last long. Let's see what we got here. On an 80, what was it? What did I say? 86. I should swing over my plug and see what we got here. Yeah, it's an 82 now, but still, it's right here in the plug somewhere. Hey, we're getting there. Hey, what do we got there? What do we got there? What is this? Oh, no way. No way. 1 dime. I see 1 dime, baby. Oh, yeah. I've never dug one of these before. It's a barber dime, and it's gonna be, oh my goodness, I don't believe this. Looks like 1903. I don't know if you can see it there, guys, but man, that's a slick Willie. That's a slick one. But oh yeah, sweet. That is the first barber dime I've ever dug. Isn't that sad? That's pretty sad, but oh yeah, we'll take it. 1 dime. Oh man, stoked. Alright guys, I'll catch you on the next hole. got our CCR with a little bonus chain on there. CCR. Cheers, guys. Quick wrap up, guys. We got into some pretty cool finds, but most of it was these bullets right here. Not sure the size of caliber of those, but I would say it's in the close to 50. Pretty big size bullet. Got this sweet buckle, and the tone moves as well on that. I think this might be a horseshoe nail, not sure, horseshoe tack, but it's definitely not brass, it's iron. And find of the hunt definitely was my my dime. I don't know if you can see that elk. So that's my barber dime. 1903. Not sure if it's in focus or not. Let me switch it. No mint mark on it. It is almost a slick willy. Definitely a slick one, but that's a bucket lister for me, man. That's the first barber dime I've got a V nickel. I've got Indian head pennies, but never a barber dime. Definitely never a barber quarter or a half or any of that stuff. I'm not much on coins, but as you see, I'm out in the middle of the field. If I get a coin, it's usually a large cent, but you just never know. And I'm on a new hayfield, and I did get a new permission where there's supposedly a log cabin from the mid 1700s, and so some more fields there as well. Yeah, so we will see you on the next hunt. Appreciate all your subscriptions and likes and comments, and good luck and happy hunting for now.